Here's a quick look at the wireless CarPlay adapter for iPhone that I received for review. Here's what's in the box. The USB-C adapter and the main unit, which is a USB plug. The main unit is small and compact, about the size of a thumb drive. It also comes with easy to read, simple setup instructions. Here's everything that's in the box. The build quality feels good. To install, just plug in the main unit into the USB port in your car. After a few seconds, the setup screen will show up on your car's display. You might have to select CarPlay from your car's menu. Go to the Bluetooth settings in your phone and select the smart dongle and pair to your phone. Once connected, it only takes a few seconds for your CarPlay to pop up and be ready to use. This makes using CarPlay much easier and less cumbersome going wireless. The unit is compatible with most cars equipped with CarPlay. Overall, this would be a great addition to your car or truck, and I will be using one myself.